Hey everyone, welcome back to Gifty's Kitchen Delights. For today's recipe, I'm going to show you how to make a one-pan baked chicken and vegetables. It's a perfect dinner recipe that doesn't require a lot of pots and pans, and it's quick to put together. So let me show you how to make it. For this recipe, I am using 2 chicken thighs and 3 chicken drumsticks, but you can use either or. First, put together the marinade for the chicken. The seasonings include salt, dried thyme, paprika, cumin, black pepper, and garlic powder. Add about a tablespoon of olive oil and the juice of half of a lemon. You'll be able to see the measurements on my website linked below. Mix till everything is well combined. Add the marinade to the chicken and make sure to cover the chicken with the marinade. You don't want to waste the marinade. Add 1 sprig of fresh rosemary to the chicken. Rosemary will give the chicken a fresh flavor. Make sure to wash your hands after marinating the chicken. Cover the chicken with a plastic wrap and refrigerate. You can do this beforehand and set it in the fridge to marinate for a longer time. Now for the vegetables, I'm using baby potatoes and carrots. You can use any vegetables you like. Cut the baby potatoes in half. You can also use regular sized potatoes cut into smaller pieces. Cut the carrots the same size as the potatoes. To the cut vegetables, add half of a chopped onion and 3 garlic that's roughly chopped. Once that is done, we're going to season the vegetables. I'm adding the vegetables into a larger bowl for an easier mix. To the vegetables, add salt, pepper, olive oil, and a squeeze of lemon. I'm using a little I had left from the lemon I used for the chicken marinade. Mix this till the seasoning is well coated to the vegetables. Set this aside and preheat the oven to 425 degrees Fahrenheit. In an oven-safe pan, melt 1 tablespoon of butter on medium to low heat. Add the marinated chicken to the pan. On medium heat, sear both sides of the chicken for 2 to 3 minutes. Just a note to you guys, if you don't have an oven-safe pan, feel free to use a pan that you have to sear the chicken and vegetables, and when it's time to bake, use a baking pan. Take the chicken out and to the same pan, add the vegetables and saute for about 2 to 3 minutes. Then make space in the pan for the chicken. Then add the chicken to the vegetables. Add another sprig of fresh rosemary on top. Bake this in the preheated oven for about 50 to 60 minutes. Make sure to check after 45 minutes. Time varies for different ovens. This is how it looks when it's done. This dish is so flavorful and tastes so good. If you enjoyed watching this recipe video, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel. You can also get this recipe on my website. I'll be leaving the link to my website down below. And also don't forget to check out my Facebook page and follow me on Instagram. And I'll see y'all soon with a new recipe video. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.